it's Bree Journal. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and if you are, then please consider subscribing. Today I'm going to be doing a fully furnished apartment tour holiday edition, so I hope you guys enjoy this video and just keep on watching. Okay, so I decided to do this when it's kind of getting dark outside. So first off by my door is this ho-ho sign, and I got this at Target last year, and I think it's so cute to have just by the entryway door. And then if you turn, I have my office area, I have my office chair, and at the top I have swapped out my regular pictures with some Christmas pictures, and I think that is really cute for Christmas. So yes, everything from this video will be linked down below. And then if you turn, you come into my kitchen. So in my kitchen I have my air fryer and then this black container that's actually a tissue box, but I use it for storage to keep my batteries for my camera, my Apple Watch, chargers, and stuff like that. And then I have my fruit bowl, my juicer, and then over here I just have my pour over coffee maker that I love, and a Carif, I believe it's called, that just keeps your coffee hot. So I went for like the black theme for everything that's up here. And then right here I just have this utensil holder for when I'm cooking. And then turning, I have some hand sanitizer, some soap, my hand towels, and my blender. Going into Christmas on my island, I have my letters to Santa box as well as my black Santa. I think this is so cute, and I got this last year at Target. They sell a different kind of letters to Santa this year. I do have a different letters to Santa box. I showed it in my last video, so check that out if you have not already. I think this is a cute little centerpiece to put Christmas decor. I like the minimalist style, so I don't want to do too much. But turning into the living room, I have my stockings. I believe my mom got these at, I'm gonna put on the screen where I got these from, but I got these years ago and they are still looking good. They just have the bells on them. And then this one is Zane's. I got some toys in there for him for Christmas, and then that one is mine. I don't know if I'm gonna stuff it yet, but those are some cute stockings to have on my little storage box. And then in that box I just have my work laptop and stuff. This is my lamp. This is perfect for when it's super dark outside and my apartment has the worst lighting. So I have this black lamp that lights up this whole living room. I do plan on putting another one that's white over there by my office setup, just so that it can light up my kitchen, because my kitchen stays pretty dark. But under that I have Zane's dog bed, and then my TV stand as well as my TV. I'm currently watching Dead to Me, so let me know if you are watching that because it's real good. But on my TV stand I just have this cute little car that I got from Target, and then I got these little houses from Five and Below, and I'm going for the black and white theme. I think it's really cute. I was trying to go for a little bit of pink, but I will let you guys know if I update this car with a pink one in one of my vlogs. And then over from that I have my Tom Ford, Chanel, and Bible just to have on display, real cute. And then of course my Christmas tree. I showed you guys me putting this up in my vlog that I did, so check that out if you have not already. But for my Christmas tree I went for the white, green, dark brown, and dark gray with some clear balls on there. I think it is just so cute, and I got this tree from Walmart. It was relatively cheap. It was under $150, I believe. And under my tree I have presents for everyone, so I wanted to go for this cardboard looking thing. And then for the boxes I will wrap them up in white, so real minimalistic look. Last year I did have designs on my presents, but this year I want it to be plain and simple, so I like how that's looking. Over here is the mirror. I love my huge mirror. I got this from Amazon, and it is linked to my Amazon storefront. You turn, I have my table that is from Amazon as well, and I have my yearbooks that just have all the pictures in it that I will make every year. So I'm excited to make one for this year, but this is a look into 2021. I just stuff in my phone. So yeah, I love having this for decoration. And then I have this tray that has this knot on here, as well as candles and scents. And then right next to it I have my puppy Zane's dog bed, and this is Zane. Sit, Zane. Go on your bed. Go on your bed. Go on your bed. Zane, go on your bed. And I got his dog bed from Walmart. They sell it on Amazon, and it had a lot of stuffing on the inside, so I couldn't open and took some of the stuffing out. But yeah, this is Zane. He is 1 year old, and he is a toy poodle. And I love him so much because he's so good. But moving on to my couch, I just have these cute little plush animals on here, and Zane has been wanting to chew on them, so I don't want to get this video out to y'all before he chewed them up. But I wanted to get some Christmas throw pillows, but I was not able to find some that matched my aesthetic, so I decided to go for the side cute Christmas throw plush. So yeah, Zane's been trying to get that gingerbread all day. And I switched out my regular picture that I had in here for a Merry Christmas one, and I just think it's so cute. Just different pops of color, and that's just the look. I'm not trying to be too strict with the whole modern look for Christmas because it's Christmas time. We're supposed to have fun, so yeah. And this is my chair from CB2. I love this thing with my ottoman. That's from Article. These are the perfect pair. Me and Zane love sitting on here. It's so comfortable. It does get dirty after a while, so you do have to clean it, but check out my TikTok on how I clean this. And then walking in is my bedroom. I do not have a lot for my bedroom. It is basic in here, so leave some comments down below on how you think I can improve my bedroom to make it more Christmas vibe. I could have gotten some lights up there, but I'm scary, so yeah. But I got these nightstands from Wayfair, and I have these clear coasters that I got from Shein, but they sell them on Amazon. Have them on my Amazon storefront. And then these lamps, I love these lamps. These are from Target. They should still have these because they did last time I checked. But those flowers are usually in my kitchen, but I have them right there. And I just have this case for my camera, this 5-minute journal book, and then this lamp that Lisa got me that I love so much. And what is Zane doing? Cop. Your cop. Zane, no. That is for decoration. Do you want it? Oh my gosh, this boy is crazy. In my closet, I have Zane's crate, and I got this from Amazon. It's super convenient because it folds up flat and can fit in my car. And then on top, I have a Zane's sweater that is from Little Beast, so check them out because this is really good quality, and I'm a yin yang lover, so had to do that. In my closet, I have these white boxes that I got from IKEA. I love IKEA. Check out my IKEA favorites if you have not already. And I just have my clothes. I recently did a closet declutter, and if you guys are subscribed to my channel, you guys know I love decluttering my closet. So that was much needed, and I feel so good about decluttering. So yeah. And you guys, inside here, I got a new purse. It's from Kate Spade. I'm still deciding if I will actually keep it, but so far so good. This is like the perfect go-to purse for when it's getting cold, or probably any time of the year. And it is by Kate Spade. It zips up. It holds a lot of stuff. It holds my vlogging camera with a tripod. So love, love, love. And behind my clothes, I have these racks that hold my shoes. I showed you guys how I did this in one of my vlogs. I have this spice rack that I use as a perfume holder. I got from Shein, and I did a Shein favorites. I'm just plugging everything, but shameless promo. And then next to it, I have my jewelry holder, and then this pretty picture that I got from my boyfriend's aunt. And then here I have my dresser from IKEA. I love this IKEA dresser. I believe this is the mom dresser, I believe. And they make it in a full size, but my closet is a little too small, so I just decided to get it in the half, and I'm excited that I did because it fits perfectly. And then walking in to my bathroom, on my hook, I have my Skims robe. If you are subscribed, you know I live in this robe. On my counter, I have my current skincare routine. If you guys watched my last apartment tour, then you saw that I was asking you guys what works. I recently just got this at the Sephora sale, and I'm loving it so far. It's really moisturizing, and it's a plus because it's a toner. I'm in love with this Faded Topicals. This is amazing. I'm in love with this Glow Recipe Watermelon Dewdrop. And then if I get a bump or a pimple, I will put this The Ordinary Salicylic Acid on it, and that basically gets rid of it. So that is my skincare, and I use my Cetaphil cleanser that's in my shower that I will show you. But finishing up, I just have my Dove hand soap and my hand sanitizer, and then my Balance candle that I got from Ross. It has the yin yang on it, as well as this lighter that I just keep on the side for when I want to set the mood in here. My toilet, and then my black hand towels. For my towels, I have my basket that has my candle wax, melts, and then my wipes and all of that stuff. But Christmas related, I changed out this picture to a Christmas picture, and it's a girl that says Merry Christmas, and I think we kind of resemble. What do y'all think? I feel like we resemble a little bit. So it just says Merry Christmas. Is pink. I want to add something pink in here, so I think that's so cute. Oh, and it matches my green mats. Yeah, I really like this. I think it's so cute, and just adds a cute, simple pop of Christmas to it. But under there, I have my scaler, and I have my laundry basket, and this is from CB2, and I don't know how I feel about it. I like the look, but you guys see it's like staining at the bottom, so I don't know what that is. I hope it's not mold, but yeah. I love the look, but it did have bad reviews, so I kind of knew what I was signing up for. And then I have my shower. In my shower, I just have eucalyptus. I always got to keep eucalyptus in here just to set the mood, make it smell nice. And then I have my Dove soap, as well as my Cetaphil face wash that is in that green container. And I have my Panoxyl. So this is also a part of my skincare. If I'm starting to get bumps, then I will use this and be good to go. So I use Cetaphil regularly, and then I'll use the Panoxyl if I am having a lot of breakouts. So yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment for me down below, and subscribe to my channel if you are not already. And I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.